All right, now we're going to show you how to make a payment on your balance due from the IRS website. So you're going to start out by going to irs.gov. So I guess I could just do it, www.irs.gov. And then you're going to go and pay. And then you have two options. You can pay with a bank account, direct pay, or you can pay with a debit card, credit card, or Bitcoin. We're going to go to direct pay for payment with a bank account. Pretty much the same. It's just the payment method is different. Your reason for payment. So it could be various reasons. It could be payment plan. If you're on a payment plan or installment agreement, you'll select that. If you're just paying a balance due from a tax return, you're going to select balance due. There's also estimated tax. So all of the reasons you could be making a payment, most people will either be paying on a payment plan, balance due, or estimated tax. That's the majority of payments. Okay, and then now you're going to apply payment to the type of tax. For most individuals watching this video, it's going to be a Form 1040 income tax. Tax period for the payment is the period you're paying on. So in this case, we're paying on tax period 2022. We're in 2023, but we just did our 2022 tax return, so we have a balance due. It's letting you know you've chosen to make a balance due payment for your income tax 1040 for tax year 2022. Is this correct? If it is, you hit continue. And then you're going to verify your identity. To do so, you're going to use a tax return, any tax return that has already been filed. If you're making a payment on a tax return that has been filed more than 30 days ago, you can use that year's tax return. If you're making a payment on a tax return that you just filed or just filed in the last week or two, I wouldn't use that to verify identity because it's probably not posted yet. So I would go to the year before. So it just depends on how long ago you filed. But whatever year, you want to have that tax return in front of you. So if you have a PDF copy or a downloaded copy, you have that. If you have a printed copy, pull it out, because what you're going to enter is going to come right from the first page of that tax return on your 1040. What's your filing status? You might know single, married filing joint, married filing separate, head of household. You may know. If you don't, make sure you check your tax return. If it doesn't tie to what's on the tax return, you will fail this little test and you can't make your payment this way. Spell your name exactly like it is on the tax return. So that means if your tax preparer misspelled your name, misspell it here. Same last name should be spelled just like it is on this tax return. Last name just like it is on this tax return. Social security number or ITIN just like it is on this tax return. And then you're going to confirm that. You're going to use your date of birth. That is not on the tax return, so use your correct date of birth. Your country of residence, similarly, your street address needs to be spelled exactly like it is on the tax return that you're referring to. So that's why you should have the tax return in front of you. If you've moved, you're not going to put your new address. You're going to put the tax return address. Okay, they're on the whatever year tax return that's listed there. Can't be clear enough on that because if not, you won't be able to make your payment this way. It's not going to recognize you. Once you've entered all that, hit continue. If it recognizes you and you're verified, it's going to ask you how much you want to pay, and then you'll enter your account and routing. If you do not pass that, you will not be able to pay this way, and you'll need to either mail a check to the IRS, or you can also contact EFTPS by phone. All right. Thanks and best of luck on getting that done, and have a great day.